Hey guys, welcome to Lumovest. Lumovest is the easiest way to learn how to invest in stocks. This is where you can learn how to take control of your own financial future and how to make your money grow itself. We provide online courses where you can learn investing at your own pace, at home or on the go, whenever you want. Let's take a moment to see how Lumovest works. All of our courses are provided in a structured curriculum. That means you're going to learn the right things in the right order. Courses are composed of lessons, worksheets, and quizzes. Lessons are video tutorials where you'll learn the concepts of investing and how to perform the analysis. But watching these videos is not enough. We believe the best way to learn is by doing. We want to get your hands dirty, so we have worksheets where you'll perform the stock analysis with us as you go through our curriculum. And finally, we have quizzes to help you retain what you learned. By the end of our curriculum, you'll understand how to analyze stocks from start to finish, step by step. Thanks for visiting Lumovest. Let's start learning.